Hi everyone. So, are you a Windows user who has just switched to Mac OS like me? Well, I have been a Windows user for the past 8 years and I've recently switched to Mac OS. After 8 years of working extensively on Windows, switching to Mac was a little fun, exciting, but at the same time a lot overwhelming. But I have figured out some tips and tricks that have made my transition a lot smoother, and today I'm going to share those with you. So switching to Mac OS is like moving into a new house. Everything looks great, but you spend a lot of time figuring out where things are. From mastering keyboard shortcuts to setting up your system for productivity. I'll cover everything I wish I knew on day one. Okay, so let's start with the basics. On macOS, the command key replaces the control key for most shortcuts. For example, Command plus C copies, Command plus V paste, and Command plus Tab switches between apps just like Alt plus Tab on Windows. Spotlight search is another game changer. Press Command plus Space to quickly search for apps, files, or even perform calculations. It's like a supercharged start menu. Finder is macOS version of File Explorer. And here's a pro tip. Press Command plus Shift plus period to show hidden files. If you are a developer, this is super helpful for finding environment files or hidden configuration folders. You can also enable the path bar from the View menu to see the full path at the bottom of the Finder. Next up, let's talk some customization. If you like a clean workspace, you can hide the dock automatically by going to System Settings, Dock and Menu Bar. You can also drag your favorite apps or folders to the dock for quick access. And don't forget the hot corners. You can assign actions to each corner of your screen, like showing the desktop or starting the screensaver. It's a simple tweak, but it saves time. Taking screenshots is a breeze on macOS. Command plus Shift plus 3 captures the full screen. Command plus Shift plus 4 lets you select an area, and Command plus Shift plus 5 gives you advanced options like screen recording. You can also customize keyboard shortcuts for specific apps. Go to System Settings, then Keyboard, Shortcuts to make macOS work the way you want. And let's not forget the Control-Alt-Delete on Windows. So on Mac, we have got Command, Option plus Escape to force quit an application. And for monitoring system performance, use Activity Monitor. It's like Task Manager but with more detail. So switching to macOS might feel like starting from the scratch, but with these tips and tricks, you will be up and running in no time. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such content, and share in comments what is your biggest challenge with macOS so far.